Hey guys, so I've just watched the recent episode of Genesis, and I think I must say this right now. To Gabriel is not the devil's son, he's not the devil's image. Usatan uqobo lwakhe, like uSatan uyena ngempela. I mean, how could you make uMawenzi cry like that? It was so sad watching uWendy cry. I don't know, but it just felt so emotional. Ngathi into yenzeka ngempela, like in real life. And I think I need to agree right now with everyone who's been saying that UKB is the woman she thinks she is. That lady killed that role. I used to think ukuthi le role yakhe from a House So Sweet was just a role nje, mhlambe eqondene, it was just a coincidence ngoba mhlambe it matches her personality and everything. But after being given a character that is different, this smart, I think I'm convinced that she's amongst the best. And I want to talk about that and more here on this video. But before we start with the video, I would like to request you guys to like it. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down this channel so that you can watch my previous videos. And I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. Let's quickly get to it. Kodwa masikhuluma eqiniso bese ngekho isidingo salomsangano wenzo Gabriel. I mean, akasidingi leso studio equipment, akadingi imali, akawudingi lo 220,000. Even that land akayidingi, bro. Now abo Mpumi seyaqhamuka lana wenza uwenda umuntu wrong. That is what I hated the most about this whole situation, because Mpumi is coming here acting all innocent. Uzonza uwenda umuntu wrong, as if uwenda akade mthume uGabriel busy telling uwenda ukuthi uwenda is whole hand. Hey, there's no such a thing. Mpumi went there with her eyes wide open. Ubekade ezazi ukuthi uyaphi. Uyona bathe busy la uMaruna bezama umprotect efuna uba no Gabriel nangenkani ethi ngizokwenza noma yini for Gabriel. Now this is her reaping fruits of what she saw. So akwazi ukuqhamuka lana azokwenza owenda to feel guilty about things that she did, knowing very well ukuthi uyazenza. So bengisasho ukuthi ngicasule lento yenza Gabriel, because he knows very well ukuthi how much that land means to Wendy. And nanokuthi I don't think ukuthi lo mhlaba lo uzomsebenzela uWendy, because cabanga lento le Mpumi is no longer working. So even if una lo mhlaba lo uzowenzani, because Mpumi is no longer working. So akho umuntu uzomekhela umuzi. UThemba uMaruna noma uyacabanga umhlaba ekhona la uzoqhama khona imali, uzoqhama ezihlahleni and stuff. But all of that doesn't matter. All that matters is the way abekade khala ngakhona. Man, I was so sad to watch. And after this, I'm convinced that the downfall of Gabriel will be way worse than I thought. I thought that I was only going to go to jail, but now I'm realizing ukuthi kuningi ozokwenzeka again. And I was laughing just like that. Kumele, like, this nigga really needs to suffer before dying. Also him, Ubuyile Mdladla, I think this guy killed this role. In fact, each and every role that is being given, but on this one, because we watched him for a whole year, I think he did very well on this. So yeah, guys, that is all that I wanted to share with you here on this video. So do comment down in the comment section, share your thoughts, share opinions about this, and if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed. Also share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.